Well, first of all, it's a great opportunity to meet with so many different brands, which is normally not the case. I mean, if you have to really look out for one brand, you have to search through a lot of Google pages, figure out how to reach to the right person. This meet was definitely somewhere wherein we can find a lot of brands under one roof, and at the same time the right people to talk to who are equally interested in talking to us. So it was the right time, it was the right occasion, and it was also a place where we could find a larger audience to listen to us as well. So a wonderful opportunity. Thanks.
See, for us, basically, because we are into cause marketing, we are looking at brands who could understand the cause of child rights for us. And because corporate social responsibility is an integral part and an important part for all corporates, so to say. So we offer that brand credibility, that transparency that they look for, because we have at CRI stringent evaluating monitoring systems. We have recently been awarded with the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for transparency, and hence we can offer those impact numbers, the kind of brand value they want for their particular brand is what CRI can bring on the table for brands.
Um, Two things. One is meeting so many brands from all over India. I met a couple of people who have come from Jaipur, from different parts of northern region, which is amazing. So a lot of time effectiveness because you don't have to travel to such places to reach out to such brands. That's definitely one. Secondly, it is definitely something which is going to add a lot of value in the forthcoming future. So it is something which is going to have tangible results in a short period of time. So if not, we are taking something right now. If there's no partnership in the present future today, there's going to be something tomorrow for sure. And that is something which we are really looking forward to, and definitely something which is very important for us.
I think what is also important is the content, the whole technological development that is coming on board. What are the new ways and means to reach out to a larger set of audience is something that I think that was really phenomenal in this meet.